everyone, and welcome to our first Spelling Splash video. Now, you might have seen the numeracy videos that we've been doing called our Math Smash. This spelling video is going to be slightly different because this is for the children. So we are going to be doing a spelling themed video each week, sending out on a Friday, so that next Friday we can then do spelling tests with the children. So every Friday we will put out a Spelling Splash video, and the following Friday children will have a go at spelling them. So we're going to be teaching the children 3 words a week, and these words are going to be tricky words. You might have heard these words as tricky words, red words, or even sight words. They're words that we cannot sound out. We can't split them up to be able to spell them. We just need to be able to read and to spell them. So we're going to have a go at practicing these at home, and then we can either give them a tick if they're right, or we can make sure that we fix them. We can edit them together using the whiteboard rubber and the whiteboard pens. So for this video, we'd really appreciate it that your children are sat up at a table as if they were at a table in the classroom, ready to do these spellings, so the next part of our video. So if you need to get your children ready by having something they could write with, a notebook or piece of paper, a pen or a pencil, you might want to pause the video now, sit the children up at the table with their writing material ready to go. Okay, hello Year 1 and welcome to your first spelling video. Now we are going to be trying to spell 3 of Trixie's red words this week. And you know that when Trixie tries to give us spellings, she's always trying to trick us out. They never sound how they're supposed to. Oh, here she comes. Here is Trixie, and she has got 3 spellings for us to try, and she loves it when we get them wrong. So let's see if we can really annoy her and get them right today. So she's going to go and find the spellings for us, and remember, we've got 3 to try and spell. Let's have a look at our first one. We've got the spelling he. My turn, your turn. He. He. Well done, everyone. Now, this is a tricky spelling because we have learnt the E sound to be a special friend, but there's only 2 letters in this word. So we have learnt E, what can you see? But when we are spelling the word he, we only use 1 letter. We do not give them special friends. So that is Trixie's first trick that we need to remember. Let's pop that in our heads. The next spelling we're going to try is they. My turn, your turn. They. They. Well done, everyone. Now, when we have a look at they, there's this cheeky E that is trying to trick us out. We want to write A, the A. But we've got to remember that we can't write A. We've got to remember the cheeky E. So that's the part that's going to trick us out in this word. And our final red word to give Trixie a test is. My turn, your turn. Is. Well done. And just like he, there's only 2 letters in this word. But if you listen really carefully, is. Sometimes when we say is, it sounds like there is a zigzag zip at the end. We might want to write a z, but we can't. We have to make sure that we use a s, slither round the snake. So don't forget that when we write is, we do a s and not a z. Okay, now if we have a look, Miss Close is going to try now to share her screen with you because I am going to show you some silly sentences that I have come up with to remember these words. Let's have a little look at them together. So, our first word is. I have got a little picture down the bottom here, and I have got an insect that stinks. So have a little look at my sentence, my little silly phrase. Insects stink. And I'm going to remember how to spell is because I take the I from insects and the s from stink. So I'm going to remember insects stink to spell the word is. Let's have a look at our next silly sentence. We've got our tricky word they, and I have got a tiger, an egg, and a yogurt. And my silly phrase is tigers have egg yogurts. My t for tiger, my for have, my for egg, and my y for yogurt. So I'm going to remember tigers have egg yogurts to spell the word they. And our last one, he. And I've got a picture here of a huge elephant. So I'm going to remember my 2-letter spelling by remembering huge, elephant. So there's some silly phrases for you to watch throughout that video when you can play it over and over again and see if you can remember is, they, and he. Now, let's just check that you're all sat beautifully and that you've got the things ready you need, because we're going to have a go at spelling those 3 words. Have you got a pencil or a pen? Have you got a notebook or a piece of paper? And are your brains switched on, ready to go? Good. Well done for sitting beautifully. Let's have a go at spelling some of these words. So we're going to start with the word they. Have a go. On your piece of paper, can you write the word they? Tigers have egg yogurts. Don't forget your beautiful handwriting. And show me your work. Show me that spelling, they. Good job, everybody. Let's just have a little look. Did you remember the cheeky E is the part that's trying to trick us out? If you need to do any fixing, fix it now. Brilliant job. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Is. Insects stink. Write it down. Remember your beautiful handwriting. These 2 letters are the same size, so no letter should be bigger than each other. Brilliant. And show me. Well done. Have a little check. We've got our I and our S, is. Great job, everybody. Now let's look at our final word, which is he. Huge elephants. Write it down. Now remember, there is a tall letter in this word. There's an ascender. So try and make that letter really tall. And show me. Great job. Let's have a little look. If any of us need to fix it, have a bit of a go. He. Well done, everybody. Brilliant job. Now, I want you to keep practicing those words all week. And on Friday, we're going to have a go at showing off in our classrooms. You're going to show off to me, Mrs. Elliott and Miss Sadler, and you're going to try and spell those 3 tricky words. Now, before we end the video, let's just see if I can share my screen one more time, because I'm going to show you an extra challenge. Because you might like to have a go at spelling some of those words in sentences. And Miss Close had a go. Let's see how she got on. So my first sentence says, the dog is sat on my lap. I've tried to use the word is in a sentence. Uh-oh, did I fall for Trixie's trick? I didn't put my sliver round the snake. So Miss Close needs to edit that. Okay, let's see if I did it right in the next one. Tom is my pal, and he is 6 years old. I had a go at writing a sentence, but did I spell he properly? Look, I made my mistake. I put E cup of tea back in there. So Miss Close needs to edit my spelling. Okay, fingers crossed. Did I get the last one right? They all sat on the carpet. Oh no, Year 1, what did I do? I forgot my cheeky E. So you need to edit that one as well. I wonder if you could have a go at writing your own sentences using the spellings they, he, its. See if you can do better than me. And let's remember that our spelling test is going to be on Friday, the 20th of November. So Year 1, have a brilliant week of trying to spell Trixie's 3 words, and we will practice them in the classroom together next Friday. I will see you next week for another Spelling Splash video. Bye everyone.